Just a quick video if you are construction and you are posting your project contracts and your estimates to budgets. So I'm going to navigate to my budgets module and I'm going to go into my budgets repository, and you want to make sure that you have at the very least set up a budget for project contract and a budget for project estimates. So I'm going to just add here just to show you how you would put those in. So give it a budget ID, call it project contract. Description can be the same. And then you're going to say if this is a project contract, which it is, and you would save that. And then if you don't have a project estimate in there, you'll set up the project estimate. And you're going to give that project estimate and save that. So you want to make sure that in your budgets repository, you have at least project contract and project estimate set up. You can get a little more detailed like I have up here and say, approved original pending revisions for your contracts if you wish, but project contract, project estimates should be fine. So once you have the actual budget set up, then in your projects module, when you're putting in the project estimate, so let's say, for example, for Porterhouse here, I have that posting to GL budgets. So in your integrate with GL section down here, you want to open that up, hit post to GL budgets, and you want that to post to project estimates. And then I have period of estimate date. You can do period of project begin date, whatever makes sense to you. And then you have obviously your project set up. Once you've set up your project, you put in your project contract. So it's on your project contract that you're going to post to GL budget. So I'm going to hit edit here beside my Porterhouse, scroll down. Once again, it's this integrate with GL. You're going to hit post to GL budgets. And then you can hit project contract for all of these, or if you are breaking it out, then you can do, I have my revisions, I have my approved, I have my pending, etc. And do you want that posting from project begin date or project contract date? So you want to make sure that you have the budget set up for project contract and project estimate. And then on your estimates and on your project contracts, you want to be posting to GL budgets. So that's how you're going to be able to pull those figures into your reports, like for instance, if I go to my financial reports on my project overview, they'll pull in there to my project overview columns. Let me just run this. So for my original contract, if I have approved changes, budget, and then you can get, your estimated profit margin, etc., based off that. So absolutely you want to make sure that you're putting in those budgets and then posting your estimates and your project contracts to GL budgets.